Students, very good morning to one and all. We are meeting after so many days. I hope everybody has enjoyed Ganesh Chaturthi, the Ganpati vacation. Okay, so today we are once again back with third lesson or the third lecture of the lesson Introduction to the Internet. Last time we had completed some of the important points related to the internet, like history of the internet, structure of the internet, as well as uses of the internet, and few internet related terms we have completed so far. So today in this lesson plan number 3, we are starting with domain name. What is this domain name is all about? There are 4.3 billion combinations of IP addresses. But we human beings are just not good at remembering strings of numbers. We are good at remembering words, however, and that is where domain names for IP addresses come in. Last time we had seen IP addresses, which is a combination of some of the digits, and it is not easy to remember so many digits all the time. But we do remember words easily. So here a domain name is a simple name that can be used to access a website. For example, the IP address of Yahoo is 209.73.186.238. But it is easy to remember its domain name www.yahoo.com. So these are the domain names based either on the type of organization or the geographical area. Some of the domain names based on the type of organization are as follows. Okay, these are some domain names. First one is .com, which is commercial organization. .gov, which is government organizations. .org, which is used for non-profit making organizations. Edu, which is used for educational institutions, and MIL, which is for military organizations. Okay, and NET, which is used for large networks. Inter, which is international organizations. Aero, which is air transport industries, and COOP, which is cooperative organizations. Okay, so see, these are the some examples. Now there are also domain types that are based on geographical regions. Let's take them as well. So these are the domain types that are based on geographical regions. First one is .in, which is for India, .au Australia, .us United States, .uk United Kingdom, .cn, which is for China, JP, which is for Japan, PK, which is for Pakistan, CA Canada, HK Hong Kong, and NP, which is Nepal. So website owners can either purchase or reserve a domain name for their website. It can be purchased for a period of 1 to 10 years. Even you can make your own website. It is possible. Nowadays there are many applications. By using them you can make your own website. Okay, so once you purchase that particular domain name, after which it has to be renewed. Domain names are generally available at a cost of rupees 450 to rupees 500 per year. Per year you have to pay only 500 rupees, not much. The Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, which is shortly known as ICANN, is the authority that coordinates the assignment of domain names. Internic, a company operated by ICANN, provides all information about the domain name registrants to the public. So guys, you can also make your own website. It is very easy nowadays. So these are the domain names by which we can easily understand from which particular area or geographical region that website is. Okay, so next let's check about URL, which is uniform resource locator. So what does it mean by uniform resource locator? It is the complete address of a web page. Consider the following URLs, which is FTP www PCWeb PCV PCWeb OP India .com stub.exe. Okay, so there is some difference, there is a minor difference. The first part of the address is called protocol identifier. Okay, and it indicates the name of the protocol to be used to fetch the resource. The first URL specifies an executable file that should be fetched using the file transfer protocol. The second specifies a web page that should be fetched using the hypertext transfer protocol, which is HTTP. These are just two of the different protocols used to access different types of resources on the net. Other protocols include Gopher File and News. The second part is called resource name, and it specifies the IP address or the domain name where the resource is located. In the examples above, the part www.pcweb.opeindia.com in the resource name is referred to as the domain name. It is referred as domain name. The protocol identifier and the resource names are separated by a colon and two forwarded slash. Okay, you can see here. Okay, thus an URL specify three things: the protocol, a server on the network, and the path to the document on that machine. Okay, here www is the web, PCE web OPE India is the host of type .com, stub.exe or index.html is the file name. These are the file names, okay, of the document to be accessed. Correct? So let's understand one more term, which is search engine. You might be familiar with this. Whenever you have to check cricket score, you have to check anything new, you want some images like Diwali greetings, New Year greetings, you search here. Okay, so there are various search engines. Most popular one is Google. Okay, so there are billions of pages of information stored on the internet. Hence it becomes very difficult to find the exact information you want, and so the internet has some special search tools that help you to quickly search for any amount of information on any topic. These search tools are called search engines. Search engines are powerful software programs that search for information on the basis of the keywords that you provide. Search engines will search billions of pages on different servers and give you the search results in the form of URLs of all those sites that contain the information you are searching for. Click on any such URL to get details of the information. There are many search engines on the internet, and the process of searching the net is more or less the same. Like you can see some of the popular search engines are www.khoj.com, www.altavista.com, www.google.com, www.lycos.com, www.hotbot.com, www.msn.com. These are the very popular search engines, and some of these search engines are Indians like www.khoj.com, www.indiaindex.com, and last one webindia.com. These are the Indians. Okay, so by using these search engines you can find out the required information, whether it is any topic, any story, any newspaper. You want help for your English grammar or anything, you will get on the internet. You'll get on the internet. Okay, so this is what we have completed for today. Okay, so important term is search engine. So thank you so much for watching this video very carefully. You have to complete only question number 4 and 5. These two questions you have to complete. Okay, so thank you so much. Take care.